pizza. Overloaded pizza. Overloaded pizza.
Anong klaseng pizza
This
ito?
is the factory of pizza.
Wala nang space.
Factory ng pizza. Finished product. So, ayan guys. Ang aming pinaka-best na chef. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
So, ayun na guys ha.
Ay, usong to te. Para may pipila to ng isa.
Welcome back to my channel. Pizza Bay Recipe Business.